on the shin. We've done this before, not directly on the shin, like on the front, but to the outside. Yeah. I want you to give a pretty good amount of pressure. It's going to be a little sore. Okay. And go up and down like that. And we're just going to do maybe 10, 15 ups and downs.
Okay.
Actually, I need to do it on my right side. I messed up my right side the other weekend. Is shift your hips towards the wall and have your left hand on your hip like a teapot. And then you're going to push it down. You're going to make yourself look like a parentheses. And you're going to come back out of it. Any questions for me?
No questions. I will definitely work on using the rolling pin a little bit more, and I can definitely do the wall exercises.
Do you have a towel at all around there?
Yeah, I got my towel.
All right, perfect. So set it on your shoulders first. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then cross your arms. Okay. Whichever hand's on top, it looks like your right hand's on top. Okay. You're going to bring that one up in line with your eyes. And then your other hand is just going to hold it straight down. Okay. So just kind of on your chest. So right at your eyes, I'm going to mirror you here. Hold on. Right at your eyes. And then you're going to turn your head first and then follow it with your hand to the left. Is bring your hands behind you and you're going to interlock your fingers like this. Okay. And then what you're going to do is slide your hands down and try to pinch your shoulder blades back. Rotate to the right. And then what I'm going to do when I can't move anymore, I'm going to take a deep breath in through my nose and out through my nose. And then see if I can turn a little bit more. You see how it was small, but I turned a little bit more. Then I'm stuck there. I'm going to take another breath in and out. And take another little turn and take a deep breath in and out and another turn. And probably about 3 to 4 breaths is all I'm going to get out of it. Okay. Now, how often, and then the dizziness hasn't occurred. How often have you had it now? Because I think you said it would happen almost every night, right?
What?
The numbness. The numbness. I know you have.
But now I don't have it anymore.
Oh, okay. So it's gone too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So, but when we first started, or overall, if you graded yourself, 0% is no better, like you're in school, and 100% is where you want to be, where would you say you are right now?
I think I'm close to 100%.
Okay, awesome. That's what I like to hear. It's like, okay, well, if I'm sitting in a chair, can I go home and do squats out of the chair and do those until my legs get tired?
Okay.
Can I stand up and lift my leg out to the side until my leg gets tired? Okay.
Okay.
You can, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to have any equipment for that. And my guess is you do that enough that your muscle feels tired. The next day you're gonna be like, ooh, I'm a little sore. And that's a good thing. Soreness means that the muscle's gonna grow.